Hey y'all, 18 Camry here. So I'm going to show you how this thing goes back together. So you can take it apart. 2 screws there, 2 screws there. This panel will go on next for the push start. This right here for the AC. And there'll be a trim, the leather piece, and then this trim here. So that is all of the pieces. Give me a second, I'm going to show you how this goes together. So next up, once you got all that done, this trim plate right here for the push start, that'll snap right in. Boom, it goes in. Next up, AC control. 1 clip. In. Next up, we'll do this big long will be that guy there. All pop clips in this car, guys, with the exception of the 10 mils. That guy right there just snaps right in, easy as cake. And then this trim right here, let's go right on. There is no screw behind that hole. And in less than 2 minutes, dash is out, radio's in.